In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Electrolux washing machine door when locked. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so some of the common solutions. So solution one is wait for the cycle to finish. So the Electrolux doors often stay locked for 1 to 5 minutes after a cycle ends. If the machine is mid-cycle or has water inside, it won't open for safety reasons. Solution number two is to do a power reset. So what we can do is unplug the machine for roughly 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Then try opening the door after powering it back on. Solution three, check for water in the drum. So if the washer didn't drain properly, it will keep the door locked. Run a drain or spin cycle, and then open the drain filter, usually behind a lower panel on the machine. So on this machine, it's going to be on the right here at the back of it, and then drain the water manually using the drain hose or a shallow tray. Solution four is use a manual release. This is if it's available on your machine, but many Electrolux models have a manual door release. So remove the bottom front panel or toe kick, look something similar to the one on here on the bottom right, and then look for a pull cord or plastic lever. Normally it's colored near the lock mechanism. Gently pull it to unlock the door. Then solution four, if there's an error code, so check the display panel for error codes like E40, E41, E43, etc. E40 series usually means a door lock issue. From there, just go have a read on your manual. They might be able to give you more information on that machine too.